In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the ClickUp API step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to integrate ClickUp with other tools, automate workflows, or start building custom applications using your ClickUp data. We'll go through where to find the API settings, how to access them safely, and what you need to get started. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in to your ClickUp account using your usual login details. Make sure you're logging into the workspace where you want to use the API. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the ClickUp interface and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where ClickUp manages all your account-level preferences and advanced options. Inside the Settings page, scroll through the sidebar until you find the option labeled ClickUp API. Click on it to access the API section. This is where ClickUp allows developers and advanced users to generate and manage API access. From here, you'll be able to view your API token, which is what you'll use to authenticate requests when connecting ClickUp to other apps or writing your own scripts. Make sure you keep this token secure and never share it publicly, since it provides access to your ClickUp data. Once you have your API access ready, you can start using it with tools like Postman, custom scripts, or automation platforms to interact with tasks, lists, folders, and more inside ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access and start using the ClickUp API. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials.